Samboy! He's gone. Tembong Melancio actually so careful.
Over to Bong Alvarez, trying to bring De La Rosa inside. What a shot! Ang hirap naman gawin nun. Pahulog na yun, partner. Pahulog na. Hindi natin yung bola. Pinitawan ang bola. Galing siguro mag-jolens ni Bong Alvarez ng bata siya.
Inside Berhel. Oh, what a quarter for Berhel. And we will pause for the San Miguel Beer. The Skywalker with a difficult left-handed shot behind the back of Benji Parada.
Alaska's second best when it comes to fast break, and what a move! Dalawa-dalawa yung kinarga sa depensa. Watch it again. Sumabay ka pa, pinompa sa ere, and he hangs in the air. The aerial volley.
Alvarez finding space! Palima na ni Marlo Aquino na yun, yung foul na yun. Eskinita yung dinaanan ng tiro na yun.
Yep. 1-1 play for Samboy. And a basket there by Samboy. Unbelievable shot there by Samboy.
Ito mo yung cambio niya. Yeah! Si Menezes. Pero ibang klase yun, ha? Ibang klase.
Lumipad si Bong Alvarez. Di Ruby.
Drag ayun. Binigay kay Menezes. Oh! Sarap. Binukot. Kailangan. Ito yung magic natin.
You know, if Samboy Lim didn't have the name Skywalker,
By Menezes.
Oh my God, it took about 3 seconds in the air before he finally put that ball down. Terrific move from the aerial volley.
underneath Bong Alvarez.
Well, Harris.
Here's got Samboy Lim! In time there for Samboy Lim. Skywalker. Bong Alvarez now Bensano. What a shot! Bong Alvarez trying to go one-hander. Going inside. It's an air show. Yep.
Tawa ni Bong Alvarez, laban kay Garo. The acrobatic shot from Mr. Excitement. Humiga sa ere.
Yun ang spectacular shot na pinaraw.
Sorry ulit natin. Yung lipat ni Menezes.
Making his move. Tumaksak sa... Oh! One time for the aerial voyager. It's against Samboy.
He pulls the offensive.
Instead of this acrobatic layup. Going up against the last 4 sequences, aerial voyage is gone. Going to his left line error, and which is rare. This man is gone. Like that one, he's gone. He has now a total of back. Ayun, binigay kay Menezes. Oh! Sarap! Nato ni Menezes. Paano hindi ka naman matutuwa? Kumatake si Alvarez. Commitment, ano? Oo, pagkahilig ka sa pasok. Drive to the hoop, finish strong. Them are facing each other that time. Samboy with their high wire act. That'll be a 6-point. Seconds on the shot clock. Right down the middle. Samboy Lim.
And 41 remaining and
This move. Tumaksak sa... Oh! Well time.
Very creative.
Diamond Black.
1917, Menezes gets away again. Ilang hang time na tinatawag. Time out po tayo.
Berhel Menezes. Get away! Meron pang foul. Isama niyo pang buong barangay. Uy! 10